Little Dragon lived in a cozy cave with his mom and dad. It was a wonderful cave with high ceilings and plenty of room for playing. Little Dragon loved living there with his family. But one day, Little Dragon found a note on the cave wall. It was from his mom and dad. They had gone out to look for food, and they left the note for Little Dragon to take care of the cave. But when they came back, they found that Little Dragon had taken the note with him. He had flown off to explore the world. And so Little Dragon flew over mountains and valleys, and he flew over rivers and plains. And after a while, he saw a beautiful waterfall up ahead. So he flew closer to take a look, and as he flew past the waterfall, he heard a tiny voice. "Please, please help me." And it was coming from inside the waterfall. So Little Dragon went to find the source of the voice, and he saw a little bird stuck inside the waterfall. She was trying to build her nest, but she couldn't get any higher because of the water. So Little Dragon used his fire breath to dry the waterfall. And as soon as the bird saw that Little Dragon was helping her, she started to sing, "Thank you, kind dragon. You're the best dragon I know." You have a kind heart, and you're strong and brave. You're the best dragon. I will never forget you. And Little Dragon felt very good about himself after hearing that. He had made a new friend, and he helped her out, and so he stayed there with the bird, and they became great friends. But after a while, Little Dragon started to feel a little homesick. He missed his mom and dad and his cave. And so he said goodbye to his new friend, the bird, and he started to fly home. When he arrived at his cave, he found his mom and dad waiting for him. They were so happy to see him, and Little Dragon was so happy to be home. He told his mom and dad all about his adventures, about how he helped the bird, and about how he felt when he was away from home. And his mom and dad were very proud of him. They were proud of how brave and kind he was. And they all lived happily ever after in their cozy cave till next adventure of the Little Dragon. If you are enjoying this story, please give me a like and ring the bell and subscribe to the page.